So what happens when the U.S. government shuts down? Well, it means U.S. President Donald Trump, together with other government employees, are ceasing work starting Monday, except for essential services such as military, mail, Social Security, traffic control, and federal courts. Over 850,000 federal employees were furloughed per day at the peak of the last shutdown in 2013, but they all received retroactive pay after the Senate Republicans and Democrats agreed on a government budget. Many national parks, zoos, museums, and other touristy sites in the U.S. will be closed, including the Lincoln Memorial and the Liberty of Congress. That leads to an estimated $500 million in loss in visitors' spending. Also shutting down are bureaus of alcohol, tobacco, firearms, and explosives, meaning those who want a gun permit will have to wait a while. And some applicants or payments will get delayed as offices are not working. That includes passport processing, some health care programs, $4 billion in tax refunds, and mortgages and other loans. The Small Business Administration will not be able to process about 700 applications for $140 million in loans until the shutdown ended.